Now creating a cryptocurrency in a blockchain. So here go to this models folder and right click, click add, click class. Here we need to create a class named cryptocurrency and then click add. Cryptocurrency class added. Within this cryptocurrency class, need to assign few fields. Here this is transaction, list of transaction, list of block, list of node to connect other miners, and this is the last block method to get a last block from a chain, which is list of block. This is node ID of this miner and block count and reward, and this wallet belongs to this using RSA. Within this project wallet. Now adding a constructor. This is cryptocurrency constructor, and here assigning the private key of this miner. In real world this function will execute. Here we are assigning the private key manually, and this is node ID, which is public key of this miner. This is the real function, and this is the initial transaction. First time the miner will get few coin, and this transaction will be added to this block. Let's implement this create new block. Let's add create new block method. This is the create new block method. Here actually this block is serializing and it's adding to the chain. The whole process I will explain later after implementing this blockchain project. Let's add a NuGet package. Right click these dependencies, manage NuGet package, and click browse, and here search Newton Soft. This package need to install. Click install and I accept, and this package already installed. Go to cryptocurrency class, close this one, and here need to specify get hash function, and here click control dot press and using enter, using Newton Soft already added, and need to assign get SHA-256 function. Let's add another method, get SHA-256. Here click and control dot, this is belongs to system.security.cryptography. Click this one, and this is belongs to control dot, hit enter using system.text. This get SHA-256 function is responsible to generate the hash. Let's add another method. Scrolling up just below this constructor, Control V. This is the register node function. Here the new miner will add to this cryptocurrency network. Now scrolling down, then add another method. This create proof of work, this method is responsible to mine few transactions to add block in the blockchain. And at this time, after mining and getting the cryptocurrency, the cryptographic puzzle, then the miner will get the reward. Let's add is valid proof method. This is the is valid method. Here the complexity level, you can see the first 2 0. This is the difficulty level to find out the cryptographic hash based on supplying the transactions, and proof means nonce and previous hash. Now add another function. This is verify transaction signature function. It will verify the transaction is valid or not. This is transaction by address function. Here owner public address will be passed to check the all transaction of that particular owner address. Let's add another function to check the user balance. This is the has balance function. Here the transaction will be passed and it will check the balance is more than 0 and is valid or not. Let's add another function which is responsible to add the transaction. This is add transaction method to add the transaction to the transaction list. This is the end of this private method of this class. This all is the private method of this cryptocurrency class. This private method need to be exposed through web API, and we need to access this private method through internal web server call, which I will implement in next lecture. Save this one.